Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome and thank you for watching my official YouTube channel, Mariam Sheikh. His Majesty Sultan Hatim bin Tariq has sent a cable of condolence of Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, President of United Arab Emirates (UAE), on the death of Sheikh Khaza bin Sultan bin Zayed Al Nahyan. In the cable, His Majesty the Sultan expressed his heartfelt sentiments and sympathy to Sheikh Mohammed, the deceased family, and the UAE's peoples. His Majesty prayed to the Allah Almighty to rest the deceased soul in peace and paradise and grant his family fortitude to bear the loss. सुल्तान हातिम बिन तारिक ने मुत्तहिदा अरब इमारात के सदर शेख मोहम्मद बिन ज़ायद अल नहयान को शेख खज़ा बिन सुल्तान बिन अल ज़ायद अल नहयान के इंतकाल पर ताज़ियत का एक पैगाम भिजवाया, जिसे आप केबल भी कह सकते हैं, वो भिजवा